Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to use the review workflow in Quick Reviews, the easiest way to collect detailed and personalized customer feedback. Start by opening Quick Hub, and from your dashboard, select Quick Reviews. Next, click on QR code. This generates a link your customers can scan to open the review form instantly. Now, open this QR link in a new browser tab. You'll see the review form ready to be filled out. Begin by rating each category. Delicious pizza. Family-friendly, friendly staff, Italian cuisine, varied menu. Once you've completed your ratings, click Next. Choose the staff member you interacted with. Then, select the categories that best describe your experience. Next, click Generate Review to automatically create a personalized review summary. If you want a different version, just click Regenerate Text. Once you're satisfied, click Share with Google. Select your star rating on Google, and your review will be published, helping your business build a stronger online presence. And that's it. You've successfully used the review workflow in Quick Reviews to submit a detailed and authentic review. This powerful tool helps your business collect meaningful feedback and build customer trust. Stay tuned for more Quick Hub tutorials to help you grow your online presence.